Hi guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can lock the position of text, elements or photos in a Canva design mobile. So in here, I have opened a Canva design on my phone, which contain text and a photo and also elements. So let's say I want to lock this text so that when I accidentally move it like this, it won't be bugged. So what you need to do is just click on the text or elements that you want and click on the three dots icon, this one here. Let's pop up and swipe until you find the lock option. Click on that. So in here, let's try to move it so it won't move when I click on the text or drag it like this. You can also do that with elements. Let's try this elements right here. Click on the three dots icon. Okay, I cannot see the lock. I don't know why. Okay, but I think that's it. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Also click on the thanks. Bye.